Welcome to sessions on Python tutorials, where we break down Python programming in the simplest way. I'm your host, and today we are featuring a seasoned professor and practitioner who will help us in working with Python dictionaries. From storing data to performing calculations, these are the building blocks of every Python program. Stay tuned and watch till the end for clear explanations and practical insights to level up your coding skills. Master AI effortlessly with our channel, covering Python, free AI tools, data engineering, generative AI, cloud fundamentals, and more. Perfect for beginners, researchers, academics, and professionals. Subscribe now, hit like, and share with your friends and colleagues to stay ahead in the AI revolution. Over to you, sir.
So what is dictionary? Dictionary is a new type of data type which is there in Python, and it is another, and it is quite different from the last ones which we have already discussed. That is, we have discussed tuples, we have discussed lists, we have discussed strings, and there are different things which we have discussed in Python. So in case of dictionary, it operates on a paired value. What is that paired value? That is, a paired kind of a impression is given by the dictionary. What is that? It has a key and a value pair. A value for a key or a key for a corresponding value is there. Dictionary usually is declared or is initiated with curly braces. So what do we understand by curly braces? Curly braces are like this. This is opening brace and this is closing brace. Okay. So in dictionary, we can have any types of keys. For example, the keys can be of any data type such as strings, numbers, or tuples. And each key is followed by a colon. Okay. And after that, the value will be there. So if you are having several keys and values, that is key value pair, several key value pair, it must be differentiated with a comma. Okay. So it should be represented like this. It must be differentiated with a comma. So comma means this one within opening and closing quotes. So let's see how it performs with the help of an example. So we are going to declare a dictionary here. So if I say the dictionary to be D and I provide a name. So what I need to do first? I need to open it with a curly brace. Okay. So in Python, once you provide the opening brace, the closing brace is also automatically being provided to you, which is a very good feature of Python. So here I am going to type first name. Okay. What is the first name? Let's say the first name of the person be Tanmay, and after that I am going to type the last name of the person be San. This also should be within quotes. I have missed out an important feature here. If you can point it out, if not, it's very easy. I have missed out a comma here, also a comma here, and then discipline for Tanmay, that is in which stream probably the person is working, is none other than information technology, which is my favorite. You must have understood by now. So this is the discipline of Tanmay, and now I would like to enter the age of Tanmay. So what is the age of Tanmay? The age of Tanmay be, let it be 21. Okay. And let's say his distance of residence from the institute be 10.4 kilometer. Okay. So all these things are being provided here in the dictionary. Once this is done, we would like to check that how it really performs. How will we check? We need to print the results and hit the run key. Okay. So as you can see, all types of key value pair are being displayed here. So it is quite clear how a dictionary is functioning, and as you can see that the dictionary can accommodate all kinds of key value pair. After that, if we would like to see what is the length of the dictionary for our data manipulation purpose, so we can do it just by writing print, then length of the dictionary, that is length len, that is the len d. Okay, and you will have the length, that is 5, since we are having 5 items here. Okay, after that we may be willing to have an idea that what are the keys in this particular dictionary which is being shown here in front of you. As you can see the keys here, so let us see that whether these keys are actually displayed or not. D dot, here we can have the keys as a function. Please remember this. So keys like this, sorry, keys like this. Okay, and if I hit run, then you see dictionary keys are being mentioned here. Okay, after that, if I would like to mention or like to see what are the values, so you can see what are the values just by hitting run. You can see that these are the values which are there, and the method of displaying the values is just the same. You just replace the keys function with the values function, and you get the values here. Okay, now if I would like to see what is the value there inside a specific attribute, then what do I need to do? Again, I need to print it. Now you notice that after print, I have done I have called the dictionary, that is D, and this time I am using a square bracket. Within that, let's say I am trying to call discipline. Okay, so I would like to see what lies inside discipline. Okay, but you see I have not provided any dot in between, right? Just like I did here, but here I have not provided any dot, and this is giving me an error, right? What is the reason that it is showing an error to me? That I need to find out. So to find out what is the error, you need to find out that what is given here as the error message. Earlier we have not encountered with any sort of error like this. So how to debug an error? So here it is shown that print D dictionary discipline key error discipline. Why? If you notice very carefully here, while I have typed this, there is a mistake. What is that mistake? If you are able to recognize that, well, those who have recognized, I am sure that you have correctly recognized, I have misspelled this. So it is very much sensitive, and the two spellings must be same. So here also the discipline spelling is wrong. I have to insert one C here, and I have to insert one I here. So essentially what I mean to say, whatever is written here must be written here. Okay, so it's not about the correct nature of the spelling, but whatever alphabets are given here, it should match here. So if I do not insert the C here, what will happen? Let's see. So now discipline and discipline, you see these two things are matching. If these are matching, ideally it should run, right? And you see it is running. But then if I write the correct spelling here and try to run this, or if I write the correct spelling here and try to run this, then also it will not run. Why? Because of this. Okay. So these two things are anywhere in the name key pair. Whenever you are calling something, this must be identical to one another. So now if I am writing this and then I am hitting run, it should run. No. Why? Because it is not compiled. That is, it is not able to find out or recognize that this change has been made here. So if you make it to want it recognize that this change has been made here, then you have to again run this. Now you see this thing has changed. Earlier the wrong spelling was there. Now if you are running this, it will run. Okay. I hope you have understood by this example how to deal with this kind of errors. Now after this, if you would like to add some value to the dictionary, for example, what is the corresponding value for any of the keys which are mentioned here, or what can we add to any of the keys, right? So if I would like to add some value like D to the dictionary, okay, marital status, fine. So how do I add or assign values? Let's say I'm writing unmarried. Marital status is unmarried, okay. And then if I try to print again the dictionary, what will I get? I will get a new value added. All right. After that, this is something where a person is assigned with a value. Now again, if I want to reassign this, let's say the person got married and I would like to change this to married and would like to print it once more. So if I do it once more, you see it has changed to married, right? So this is how the dictionary functions, and this is how I have given you the example for dictionary. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial.
If you found this tutorial valuable, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and share it with others who might benefit. Explore the description for a link to our Udemy course, where you'll learn techniques to use generative AI to automate your daily tasks. Also, check out this YouTube channel for more videos covering Python, data engineering, ETL, cloud computing, generative AI, and much more. See you in the next video.